Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble!
Good morning. This is the New York session stream, taken as part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Go ahead and turn on that little bell because we are live every single day, Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. Watts, West African time. That being said, let's get into the charts. Okay, how's everybody doing? Happy Good Friday. Happy Good Friday. It's a holiday where I'm at, but I believe in the US they don't consider that as a I don't think they recognize it as a holiday or a federal holiday anyways. Yeah, because the banks are open, because I see news. Where is that? Yeah, I see news. So we do have actually a lot of news. Actually, we got a lot of news. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's indicative of. This is indicative of the fact that banks are still open, or I'm not sure. Let me see. Bank holiday in the US. Is it a bank holiday? Let me see. Yeah, so it's not, right? Yeah, the US doesn't recognize Good Friday as a public holiday. But hey, that's to our favor, I guess. All right, because we get to trade. Cool. So yesterday I got some sales on some really nice sales actually on GJ. A few hours, I believe it was like 10 o'clock or so, after I hopped off stream. To be honest, even if I was on stream, I would have had to leave in the middle of the trade, because the time I took the trade, I was already on the move, right? So I took it on my mobile phone. I wasn't even on my at my setup. I wasn't even with my laptop, right? So, but hey, such is the markets. For some reason, we've been moving a lot later in the New York session, especially during, or sorry, not especially during, but despite news, right? In spite of news, we've usually gotten the moves usually around, after 10, right? From 10 to 11, that's usually when the pushes have been coming, at least for the last 2 weeks, I would say. But yeah, let's see if we can get some for the day though. All right, let's go to the monthly. So last day of the monthly today, right? Last day of the monthly today. Like I said, if we're trying to mirror this move and we're understanding that we tapped into, so this is level 1, this is level 2, and say wherever this candle tapped into is level 3, right? Say we tapped, this candle tapped into level 3, right? Closed below level 2, right? Closed into the range 1, 2, right? Closed below level 3, tapped into level 3, closed inside range 1, 2, right? This candle came up, tapped into level 2, so it is feasible, right, that right now we close in this range, which is range I guess this would be 0, right? This is range 0, so range 0, 1, right? So that's what I'm currently looking at. What does that mean for the day, right? That means we have room to push up with 192.4 areas is our targets, right? But that all depends on how the lower time frames form, so we'll see. We will see. All right, weekly, similar analysis for the weekly, right? We do have range to push up, but again, we could see some pullback before we make the push up. Again, that will all depend on the lower time frame, but I am bullish and I am looking to close somewhere inside this range, right? So we'll keep that in mind as we're taking our trades, right? So this resistance that formed on the daily, now it's been respected, and it held, right? So now I can consider this level. So I am currently within this range. We've closed bearish on the daily, I believe 3 times in a row now. Let me see. Yeah, so we've closed bearish on the daily 3 times in a row. Well, 2 times in a row, right? But we are still respecting this support, right? We're still respecting this support to the left, and we never even closed below this most recent level here. I mean, this is still technically the level, because I mean, overall, right, we have wicked into these areas, right? So we are still respecting this level, right, to the left. So at any point here, and we haven't taken out these highs, right? So at any point here, actually, yeah, that's a good point, right? This previous daily candle never took out this daily candle's high, right? We never took out that daily candle's high. This candle that we're open with also never took out the previous daily candle high, which was yesterday's, right? So if we continue to drop here, if we continue to drop down, take out these lows, tap into this level, and we reject, and we start pushing up, maybe get a closure above 191.4 on the lower time frames, we should be able to see a push up. All right, we should be able to see a push off of that. All right, so yeah, let me see what the lower time frame looked like. So we consolidated on the 4 hour yesterday. We consolidated on the 4, I would say, because I am looking for, I understand we've closed bearish a lot, or recently we've had only bearish closures on the daily, but I am still looking for that push up. But I do understand we can come down, we need to come down here and most likely create a steeper bottom wick here, probably take out these lows before we continue to drive up. So what would that look like on the 4 hour, right? That would be a tap into these levels here, right? Because what is this, 190.5? Yeah, that would be a tap below these levels and then a drive up. All right, so if we can get something like that, we should be good for some buys. We should be good for some buys here. Yeah, but let's see, let's go to our bread and butter time frame. So so sales wise, right, I'm looking at 190.5 to get tapped into, right? So let me just, I'll have my level there for now, right? I am trying to buy. So I mean, regardless, this is range 1, range 2. I don't really want anything, I don't really want much to do with this range over here, right? It's just a lot of static, So I'd consider this as my resistance. Let me look at that on the 30, refine the levels a little bit. Okay, yeah, might as well. Let me see. Yeah, so yeah, these are the levels I'm gonna consider. So a closure below here, say on the 30 or on the hourly, right? A closure below here, we could continue to drive down. To be honest, I would speculate that we would drive down, because I am looking at 190.5 areas to get tapped into, but I don't it's not a move I would want to be part of. I would prefer to either close below, right? Close below, come back, retest, and then take the sales going down, or you know, or fake out, right? So basically we come down here, we tap into the level, then we close back above this level, right? If we get a good bottom wick, all right, got a good bottom wick, we could take the buys going up to fill the rest of this range to the top side. Yeah, but these are just possibilities, right? We'll see how price forms, and we'll manage our position, or not our positions, our levels accordingly. I have this, let me see. Yeah, so I'll just consider these levels for now, and let's see how price forms around these areas. Yeah, I'm not too much of a fan of taking any entries over here, but we'll see. Let's see how price forms. All right, let's go on to gold. I don't know what's going on, to be honest, with gold. We're stuck. We're not moving on gold. I honestly don't know what's going on. I honestly don't know. I think the markets are broken. The markets might be broken. Yeah, I couldn't even tell you. Hold up. So gold frozen, I don't know, Forex. Hold up, now this is 2018. News. What? Yeah. I really couldn't tell you. Maybe it's because of Good Friday. Maybe. I don't know. That would just be speculation on my part. Because I mean, some countries have public holiday. Because like where I'm at, there's a public holiday, right? But there's no public holiday in the U.S., right? In the U.S. banks. So I really don't know why gold is not moving right here. This is out of my expertise. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see if does YouTube have an answer for me, or is it Comex? Cause I mean, is Comex not Hold up, 1 second. Let me see. Nah. No frozen Forex. Yeah, I don't know. Alright. Comex closed for Good Friday. Trading for Friday, trade date in. Man, this is just CME. This is a specific group, no? I don't even know what CME is. Friday, March financial. Oh. Okay, yeah. So Comex might be closed for the holiday, maybe? I don't know. Let me see. Financial institutions. What? Cultural and sport events. Closure of banks and stocks. Yeah, I don't kind more. What? Yeah, this is a weird presentation of information. Yeah, I don't even know what they're saying. So Good Friday, what kind financial institution? So like, are they closed or what? Yeah, nah. Yeah, I couldn't tell you. Well, bottom line is gold ain't moving though. So yeah, that's that, right? Gold ain't moving, but there is dollar news though, so I don't know how that works. Or is it just me? We got people in the chat. Is gold moving for you guys? Because I mean, it can't just be me, right? Because this is Trading View. This ain't my broker. Actually, that being said, let me check my broker. Yeah, gold ain't moving on my broker either. Well, on the funded broker, anyways, on the prop. Yeah. Well, nothing we need to worry too much about, to be honest, because if we don't get anything on gold, we'll get something on GJ, right? At least GJ is moving, so Forex hasn't ended yet. Only 2026 Forex is gonna end, but not right now though. We chilling for now. Okay, so well, since we only have one pair to look at least for now, I don't know if gold's gonna start up eventually here, but let me see. What we saying with Bitcoin? Anybody got Bitcoin in the chat? Drop your name and your address, just so we know, you know, just so we have that on file. Yes, yeah, if you trade in Bitcoin, well, if you're holding Bitcoin, congratulations, I guess. Yeah, I had entries early, but you know, unfortunately I got greedy and well, I guess I I wasn't greedy enough. I closed a lot sooner than I should have. But yeah, it's neither here nor there. All right, so now we wait for a closer. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. Yeah, this isn't gonna give us anything, so it's gonna be an 8 o'clock thing. I'm gonna wait for the hourly to close and see what I'm going. Yep. I've seen a lot of there's been a lot of prop firms going down lately. There was the, what is it? I mean, MFF, that was the famous one, right? That was the one that grabbed the headlines. What was that? I think that was late last year, or was that early this year? I don't even know, to be honest. But yeah, MFF went down, and then, I mean, the notable ones, right? Prop firms die out more often than you think, right? There are a lot more prop firms that have gone out of business than they are, right? You know, that they are currently in the marketplace. I don't have the stats on that exactly. I'm just saying, right? There are a lot of prop firms that go under without public knowledge, right? But the most recent ones, the most famous ones anyways, that occurred recently were is it the Funded Trader or True Funded Trader? I think it's the Funded Trader, all right? And the Funded Trader one, they're down, but the way they advertise it, it's by design, right? It's due to working diligently on this to resume. We'll follow up with specifics. Resume operations. Right. So the way they're advertising the temporary, or they're advertising the, what would I say, the shutdown, or right, the suspension in services, they're advertising it as temporary, right? Like it's strategic. They're advertising it as a strategic move, you know, whether to rebrand or fix some things in the back end. I'm not really sure, but currently you cannot trade if you had an account with them. I'm not too sure how they went about delivering the news in general. I just saw it on like a news article or something, right? So I'm not sure if they gave, you know, their traders adequate forewarning, right, before they decided to shut down servers or whatever, right? But, or not shut down servers, I don't know. Is it shut down servers? I don't know. Cause shut down servers seems a little bit more extreme, right? Yeah. Before they decided to take a break, right? Yeah. Not sure how that whole thing played out, but I know some people are kicking air. And what's it? There's another one as well. The one with that Riz was a part of. He just dropped a video as well. He dropped a video basically about how shady they've been with their business dealings. What is it? Is it Skilled? Yeah, Skilled Funded Trader. Skilled Funded Trader. Yeah, you see them too, right? I mean, where there's smoke, there's fire, right? So I wouldn't say I'm scared that this is gonna. Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm scared that this is like the or Armageddon of prop firms. I wouldn't say that, but hey, you want to be ready if that's the case, right? Prepare for the worst, hope for the best. Cause I'm not even funded yet, right? So, and I've been, we've been steady grinding. So it would be unfortunate, yes, it would be unfortunate if say my prop firm went under for some reason. But hey, it is what it is. At the end of the day, the Forex journey continues, right? Because the prop firms are a means to an end, right? They're not the end all be all. They're just a means to an end. They're just a means to an end. Because at the end of the day, you're just trying to, I mean, I hope it doesn't happen, but if the current funded I'm on, I mean, I don't know why I'm saying the current funded, because I opened I'm pretty sure you guys, oh wait, is it on screen? Is the name of this on screen? Well, not really, is it? If the name isn't on screen, I'm not gonna give them no free promo. But if you're a part of this challenge, you know what this dashboard is, though. I'm pretty sure you know what this dashboard is, but oh no, it's right there. Never mind. Yeah, it's FundedNext. It's FundedNext, right? So yeah, if they ever went down for any reason, hey, it is what it is, man. I'd still continue streaming, right? It's just, you know, you'll see a lot less. The account I'm gonna be trading with is not gonna be quite as heavy, right? I'm still gonna be catching my normal pips, right? My normal 20 pips, but now my 20 pips, well, 10 pips. I say my normal 20 pips, just, you know, for advertisement, you know, in case you guys are new around here, you know. But yeah, I mean, the only difference would be my 10 pips are now gonna be, or would be, $5 instead of, I don't know, instead of 50, type of thing. But nah, man, we focus on the skill. Focus on the skill. Eventually the account will grow. But if you don't have the skill, doesn't matter how much money you got, doesn't matter how big your account is, you're gonna lose everything eventually. That's why, like, I don't know, if I could, if skills were something that were transferable, like a gift, you know, like if you have a skill, you can just share that skill with other people. Oh man, bro, instead of giving someone who's down on their luck, instead of giving them some change, hey, just give them the skill, bro. Give them the skill. If they open an account, they just need to go to the cyber cafe, even though if they don't have, you know, access to a personal laptop, right? There's public places they can use a computer, you know, just start building the money from there. I mean, this is there are a lot of logistics to go with that, but you know what I mean. I'm just waffling, just killing time here. 1 hour. We still have 7 minutes to go before this hourly close. You know what I mean? Yeah, but hey, 7. Is it 7 or 6? I should keep track. Maybe this weekend I'll or maybe after stream actually I'll actually count the win streak. We're either on a 6 or is it 5? We're either on a 5, 6, or 7 win streak on stream. Anyways, all right, one of those. And oh yeah, let me update my current profit, because I did take a trade off stream yesterday, unfortunately. Current profit is 230. Yeah, so if we can get to 5%, right, which is 300, if we can get to 300 before the end of next week, they'll give us an extension on this challenge, right? Because right now I have pretty much next week, right? I have the whole of next week, so Friday is gonna be the last day. Actually, no. I think I saw this. I can't renew on the last day. I can't extend. Yeah. That's true. So it's not really Friday. I think it's like Wednesday or something. Hold up. FundedNext. What is it? 14 extra days for challenge. Is it this one? There you go. Yeah, it is. As long as you're profitable, you'll be given an additional 14 days. Right, 14 days to complete your challenge. Yeah, but can I see more? Let me see. I want to see more I want to see more information on that. 14-day extension. On the 4th week, you realize that press the button. You can still available. Let me see. Well, I mean the option to extend becomes available next week, but trading. But I know you can extend on the last day though. I know that for sure. Yeah, you can extend on the last day. Yeah, you have to go to profit model. You can now ask for achieve the free recheck. Blah blah blah. Yeah, I forget how many days before the last day you need to actually, you know, what is it? Apply for the extension, right? Or opt into the extension. I forget how many days that is, but hey, if we can get a banger trade today, we're pretty much there, right? If we can get a banger trade today, we're pretty much there, and yeah, we go from there. If we get a 14-day extension, I mean, just by the math, right? If you're thinking about the math, you're like, okay, it took us 30 days, so the full challenge, right? The full time limit or the full time window to get to half of a profit. So what's half of the full? Right now they're giving us half of the time window. They've decreased our time window in half, but we still need to gain half, right? So if we're doing maths, right, if we're doing the math, I'll only be able to make a quarter. So I'll only be able to make 150 over the next 2 weeks, right? But trading isn't as linear as that or proportional as that, right? That's what you got to understand. I could literally take a trade today and pass the whole challenge. I mean, it's not likely just because of how I trade, but it could happen, right? It could happen. Because like there's some trades that if I left them to run and hit full TPs without moving a break even, I just kept my stop loss active, I'd be making maybe 200, 300, right, per trade. But just based off of how I trade, it doesn't make any sense, right? It just doesn't make sense. I trade off levels, right? So if I'm speculating that price is gonna come up here to 191.6, but I understand, but I'm seeing visually that there is a strong level of rejection at 191.2. Why would I not close something at 191.2? Or why would I not manage, you know, my position at 191.2? It just wouldn't make sense. At that point, I'm hoping. I'm just vibes and inshallah, as they say. Yeah, but yeah, we have 2 minutes here. 2 minutes for 2 minutes to take a trade here, or not to take a trade. 2 minutes for the hourly close. Let's see. Gold is still frozen, huh? Yeah, I couldn't tell you, bro. I really couldn't tell you. Let me see if we got people streaming right now. I might be bugging. Today might be a holiday across the board. Maybe. It's very possible. Yeah, man. Today might be a holiday across the board. Let me see. Yeah, the jokes. Yeah, man. Yeah, I might be bugging. Today might be a holiday. Today might be a holiday. Really? Huh. That's interesting. Where's the live join? Let me see. Who's live right? I mean, you got the usual suspects. You got the usual suspects, but yo, what you mean live gold? There's nothing going on gold right now. Oh yeah, that's because one of these not bot channels, they're not bots, but they just sort of leave the chart going. Yeah, yeah, I'm not too sure. Let me find out though. Let me find out. Not too sure. I mean, I understand it's Good Friday, but I mean, I'm seeing all this news here, so I was wondering, right? Like, if there's no holiday in the banks, I mean, hey, wouldn't be outlandish to expect some volume here, but I think for sure comics is closed though. Probably why nothing is going on there. Let me look at some other charts. Yeah, Forex is moving generally anyways. Yeah, so I mean, we have a closure there on GJ. Nothing much. Yeah, we might just range for the day. We'll see though. 8:30 is news. I probably won't stay. Well, let's see what 8:30 does though. If 8:30 doesn't do much, I don't think I'm staying longer than 8:30. Like, I might just leave after that if we don't do much. Because if we have all this news, we don't do much. Yeah, that probably means, I don't know. Maybe I'm bugging. Maybe it is a bank holiday. I don't know. Because even if, okay, like other countries that actually have a holiday, right? I mean, even if they're not trading, come on, we don't need. I mean, all we need are the U.S. banks to move, bro. Come on. You know what I mean? Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. So 8:15, 8:30. Yeah. So I'm just gonna. Yeah. Now let's see how 8:30 opens up, man. Cause I mean, we have news. So let's see. Let's see what happened. Let's see what's gonna happen, man. Oh, is there a holiday on Monday as well? Easter Monday? I don't think so. I don't believe so. Oh, bank holiday? Or no? I think maybe it is. It might be a bank holiday. Oh, man. Might be a 4-day weekend. I don't know. But we ain't worried about no weekends. We out here in the deep end, you know. I'm gonna. Ooh, bro, I just thought of a crazy bar, bro. We don't care about no weekends. We out here on the deep end. I'm out here seeing deep trends. Yeah, GJ is my. GJ is my. GJ is my sequence. You know I never regret. Yeah, man, bars. Normally. Spitting the bars. Protect my family. Blessings, they follow me. Baba God bless my family. How do I hold up? Nah, that's maximum glazing right there. So let's see what we can get, if we can get. Let's see if we can get something. If we can get some. Perfect timing. La femme avec te pourra regarder te. Reading some French. All right. Yo, it look nice outside today. It look real nice outside. Looks like winter is over. Winter's over. Yeah, man. I think I might have been bugging. Yeah. Might have seen this news and got excited. There might just not be much going on today. I mean, it's allowed. It is allowed. Yeah, I'm probably one of the only. Okay, no, actually, no, it's a lie. I was about to say I'm one of the only streams, but hey, you got all the signal channels. Signal channels for sure still up. There were a lot of signal channels. No free promo, but hey, if you see one you like, go ahead. Like and subscribe, man. Let me see. Yeah, we just waiting right now, to be honest. You know what? I'm gonna just kill some time right quick. Let's see. Forex trader tier list. Is there such a thing? Oh, there is. Oh, there are no, bruh. There are no tier lists to show. Let me see. Oh no, there are. Okay. Oh, okay. I mean, hey, the goat. The goat. Why they use that picture though? They cheesing, bro. Why they do my boy like that, son? Why they use that picture, bro? Yeah, that's crazy. You know, Qbank's one of the first. Okay, no, actually, no. One of the first people I started watching was this man right here, Swaggy C. He was the first, probably the first YouTube channel I ever started watching. You know, learn about Forex and all that. I mean, to be honest, most of the stuff I learned from him, I don't really use that much anymore. Well, I guess I do use it, right? Because I think I learned about levels. I learned about levels from him and the general concept of price action, right? Not too much in detail because he made videos, but in terms of his actual strategy, he didn't go too in depth with the, you know, with the nuances, you know, and specifics of his strategy. But in terms of general price action, yeah, I'd say Swaggy is the first person I sort of at least heard about the concept from, right? Yeah, I stopped following him a while back, not because of anything, right? Just I wasn't meshing well with his trading strategy. I found a new trading strategy, right? But he's good people though. He good people. Keep in mind, I don't know most of these people by face though. Most of them I'm not even sure, right? Let me see. Raja, I never followed Raja. I just know I know him as a brand name within the industry, right? I know him as a reputable name in the industry. Let me see who else I know here. I know this man. Is this not Mamba? I think this is Mamba. I'm not too sure. I think this is Mamba. Again, one of those people I'm not too not too sure because I don't know him. I just know him by name, right? I know him by name and I know he has a good following. I haven't heard anything bad about him, so hey, why not? Just put him right there. And what we got? What we got right? Is this Andrew Tate? I don't even know, bro. I can't even see these pictures, bro. I don't even know who these are. Facts. All right, let's see. Let us see. 15 minutes about to close here. Let's see what's going on. Hey, for anybody tuning in, we're just killing time here, man. We're just trying to figure out if there's actually gonna be volume in the markets today, given that it is a Good Friday and all that. But we do have news at 8:30. Most likely that's when any potential positions will come. So hey, if you want to hop off, come back, go ahead, feel free. Want to kick it with us for a little bit? Why not? I'ma be here. Shit, I'ma be here. Okay, who else is this? I don't know who this is. I don't know. I think I know who this is, not sure. I can't even see this picture. Shit. I don't know who none of these dudes are, bro. He look familiar. I know him. I don't know him by name though. Oh, there goes this is Mamba, no? Is this not Mamba? I don't know, bro. There are two people I'm thinking about. One is Mamba, the other one is something else. I forget his name. Is it Savage? Yeah. No, this is Savage. This one here is Savage. This is Mamba, I believe. Maybe. Let me see. Mamba FX. This is Mamba, and then the other one is Savage FX. Daniel Savage. There you go. Daniel Savage. Yeah, so I know Daniel Savage is known, right? I know he's known. I can't really speak to most of these guys. I don't really. Yeah, this tier list is invalid, right? Because to be honest, only person I can really vouch for like that is Don, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know who these I don't know who these brothers are, bro. None of them. Yeah, I mean they don't know who I am either, so I mean that makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah, let's see. 15 minutes. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, so probably gold isn't active because of the holiday, so we'll just let that be. What else they got here on this tier list? Let me see. NBA. Yeah, I would do the NBA one, but I'm so out of touch with the NBA right now, man. I am a Clippers fan, but I really don't know what's going on in the league. I haven't been watching the games recently. I've not been watching the games recently. What are the games they got right here? I mean, I would play Wordle, but hey, it's a little, I don't know, feels a little, I don't know, copyright, you know. I feel a little bit like I'm copying another man's homework a little bit. Just 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 a little bit. Hey, and if you don't need to be here, go hang out with your kids, man. It's Good Friday, bro. Oh yeah, this is gonna show I'm a terrible Christian, bro. I mean, Good Friday that's the crucifixion, right? It's the crucifixion. I don't know if that's how you spell it. Yeah. Good Friday was the crucifixion. Then he rose again 3 days later, Monday. That's Easter Monday. Yeah, we thank God. We thank God for it, and thank God for the earth. Thank God for the blessings. Thank God for the earth. On this verse, I've been trying not to curse. All right, let's see. Can we get a Good Friday on this Good Friday? If we just do this for news, if we don't do much for news, then yeah, call it a day, man. Call it a day. And hey, bro, it's already been an hour. That's crazy, man. And they do say time flies when you're having fun. I'm not sure what fun I'm having, but hey, flew by anyways. Oof. Damn. Some people got talent, but it ain't enough anymore. Hey, yo, this is hilarious. Yo, y'all go follow the Instagram, man. I'm finna start posting some memes over there. This is hilarious. Holy Spirit. Really? Are there how many what do you think is the percentage of the space is female? Because I've only really seen one female trader that, when I say the space, I mean the public trading space. Not individual traders. I mean like people that have content and all that have a brand. I only know of two, but I can only speak to the credibility of one. March 13th. Fair enough. Yeah, so 8 minutes here. Let's see. Let's see if we get some this Friday. Or if I'm gonna start my Friday a little early. It's good for the algo though. Yeah, since I'm one of the only people streaming. You got scammed, YouTube. You got scammed. Get scammed, YouTube. Get absolutely sent. Bro, why is Samsung be bugging sometimes, man? Maybe it's just my Samsung. Like, I should probably be reading a book or something. Kill the time. I'm gonna read y'all a book. Okay, so the name of the book is Structures or Why Things Don't Fall Down. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, so I'll be back. 1 second. Bugging. All right, we back. 5 seconds for news. Got a little bit of volume going on. Let's see if we can get something. So, previous candle closed no bottom wick. Excuse me. There goes news. Let's see. Well, news hasn't really dropped yet, but news ain't dropped yet. Let's see. Okay, news has dropped. So what are we saying? So is this mixed news? Oh yeah, mixed news, but majority bad. Majority negative news, but mixed, right? Mixed generally, but majority negative. Yeah, I mean, you have one positive and then all of these negative, the rest are neutral. Yeah, so that being said, I mean, I say that being said, like gold is active, right? So I mean, this ain't active, but let's see. What's something like EU doing, or UJ? Yeah, not much, huh? Yeah, we're finna call it a stream, guys. Yeah, we finna call it a stream. I thought there would be more volume for some reason. I say for some reason, but it was just because of news. I thought news would, you know, give us something to work with here, but hey, it is what it is. Yeah, let this 5-minute close. We'll see what happens. This 5-minute close. We'll see what happens. Yeah. Maybe we can get a closer, but yeah, nah, that's not a good idea at all. That's not a good idea at all. Yeah, for me to be convinced to take something here, I would this would need to start pushing. But hey, I don't think there's volume in the markets, guys. I don't think I think people are on a different timing than I am right now. Yeah, I might be the only one trading right now, bro. Unfortunately. Or fortunately, right now I can go no, unfortunately, actually, because all right, so I think that will be it for me. Yeah, we don't expect too much out of the markets today. I was looking at the news, I was like, okay, there's news, but yeah, man, because even with the dollar news, I mean, if gold is, I mean, there was dollar news, but even the dollar pairs didn't move, right? Yeah, even the dollar pairs didn't really do much in terms of movement. I mean, this one, I guess you could say it did something, but not much of something. All right, so yeah, man, that's gonna be it for me. So that being said, we're back here again next week, same time, same place, Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. I'm gonna look to I'm gonna look to maybe stream on Sunday. Well, no, that's a lie. It's Easter Monday, right? So we could just have the same thing that's going on today happen on Sunday. So, yeah. So that'll be it. Probably next stream will be on Tuesday. I'll see though. I'll see. Yeah. Actually, yeah. So next stream is gonna be on Tuesday, which is a bummer because you know the funded ends on Friday, right? We run out of time on Friday. Is it a Friday? Let me double check. Yeah, so we run out of time on Friday, so that leaves us, you know, a few days short, right? That leaves us a few days short to actually get to the 5% mark to qualify for the 14-day extension. But hey, regardless of if we can if we have to start the challenge again, it's a free retake. I'm not complaining, right? The journey continues. So yeah, appreciate y'all for sharing a little bit of your Good Friday with me. Happy holidays, as they say, and yeah, have a good one. Peace.